Okay guys, so welcome to our third problem. So this time, tutuloy natin yung illustration. Di ba ito yung sa illustration natin? So, dun sa previous video natin about chain rule, so dun sa last example, dun sa illustration nga, sabi ko, I only prove to you guys na this function is a composite function. By, ang ginawa natin, so itong nasa loob, we let u is equals to x squared plus 5x. Tama? Then, so, rewrite natin to by replacing this function yung nasa loob ng u. So, magiging y is equals to 4u cubed. Tama. So, ba naging u? Yung u na yun, ito yun. So, we replace x squared plus 5x ng u. So, ito yung first function and this is your second function. So, sabi ko nga, it proves na this is a composite function. So, sorry. Which is a function within or inside another function. So, ngayon, to solve the derivative of this function, so we make use nitong dalawang function natin, okay? So ang gagawin natin, kunin mo yung derivative nito with respect to each other. Unahin natin to. So derivative of y, of course, dy with respect to u. Di ba kasi ito yung function mo? So dy over du. So derivative of y with respect to u. So power formula lang. So bring down 3. Diba? Pull out nyo 3. So, 3 times 4, 12. Then u. Then subtract 1. So, 2. That's already your derivative. O how about the second one? O ito. So, derive natin yung u. What is the derivative of u? du. With respect to x. du over dx. O, derive. So, power formula. So, bring down 2. So, pull out. So, 2. Then x. So, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay na yan. Plus, o derivative of 5x, so constant yung 5, isulat mo. Then derivative of x, 1. So 5 times 1, 5. Then ito na siya, di ba? Dalawa. O babalikan natin, what is the formula for chain rule? Di ba ito? The derivative of y with respect to x is the product of dy over du times du over dx. Di ba ito na yun? dy over du and du over dx. Okay, multiply mo. So, the derivative is, the derivative of your function, ito, which is this one, is equals to the product of dy over du, which is 12 u squared times du over dx, which is, ito, diba? 2x plus 5. Wala kayo na parenthesis. Okay na. Then, tapos na ba yan? Hindi pa. Yung u mo, papalitan mo yung original, which is ito. Diba ito original mo? O, ilagay mo sa loob. So, the derivative of this one is dy over dx or y prime, so mo, is equals to 12. Then, yung inalis mo na u, yung x squared plus 5x raised to squared times eto, 2x plus 5. Then, this is your answer. That's how you derive using the chain rule. So, diba? So, pinaghiwalay natin. Or, kung gusto niyo naman, diretso na. So, gagawin nyo, apply mo na kayo ng power formula. Bring down 3. So, or, diretso na tayo. So, rewrite natin. So, i-write natin. So, y is equals to 4. So, x squared plus 5x cubed. So, dito, pwede nating i-diretso na yan. So, 3. Diba? Since ang susolve natin, syempre, yung nasa outer function muna. So, applying power formula muna. So, 3. Pull out mo, lagay mo sa unahan. So, mag-multiply. So, 3 times 4, 12, diba? Then, kopyahin mo. Parenthesis, x squared plus 5x. Then, 3 minus 1, diba? 2. Ngayon, multiply mo sa derivative nitong nasa loob. What is the derivative of this one? X squared plus 5x. So, of course, bring down 2. So, 2x. Diba, as derivative of 5? 5x. So, constant yan. So, plus 5. 1. Ay, di ba parehas lang? So, clear? So, dito, ginamit ko lang yung definition ng chain rule. Pero, ang mismong chain rule talaga, itong sinolve natin. So, by applying chain rule, guys, so, paano muna? Power formula. So, may exponent ka. So, ilabag mo muna. Apply power formula. Then, take the derivative of your inside function. So, which is, yun yan, 2x plus 5. Then, you come up with the same answer. Clear tayo, guys? O, ayan. So, let's try to solve another problem para at least mas ma-appreciate nyo yung chain rule. Ayan, let's try to solve this one. So, our function now is y equals, so, quantity 3x squared plus minus 4x plus 1 raised to the 5th power. So, kung apply natin ngayon yung chain rule, so let's say, let u, so ngayon, nasa loob yan, palitan mo ng u, which is 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. Then, so y is equals to, so palitan mo ngayon to ng u, which is u to the 5 na lang. Diba? Then, take the derivative of these two functions. Ito yung una, ito yung pangalawa, diba? With respect to each other. So, ito muna. So, derivative of y with respect to u. So, dy over du. Diba? Derivative of y with respect to u. Dy over du. So, of course, ano yan? So, power formula. So, pull out 5, lagay sa unahan. Then, u, 5 minus 1, so 4. Then, ito naman, u. So, derivative of u with respect to x, which is du over dx. Equals, so power formula pa rin. So, 2, pull out, lagay sa unahan. So, mag-multiply, 3 times 2, that's 6x, 2 minus 1, 1. Minus, so derivative of negative 4x, so minus 4. Derivative of x, 1 kasi. O, derivative of constant 1, 0. Ayun na. Then, to get the derivative of this one, so multiply mo. So, dy over dx, di ba? Derivative of y with respect to x. So, or y prime is equals to product nito. dy over du, which is 5u to the 4th times d over dx, 6x minus 4. Then, y prime is equals to, so 5, of course, di pa tapos yan. So, yung tinanggal mo na u, which is ito, ibabalik mo. So, 5, so 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 raised to the 4th power. Then, dito, common yung 2. So, pwede mong i-pull out, di ba? So, may iwan, 3x minus 2. Then, multiply mo. So, 5 times 2. So, their final answer will be 10. 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 raised to the 4th power times 3x minus 2. And this is your answer. That's how you apply chain rule. Or, gusto mong mabilis, so pwede rin naman yan, diretso na. So, bring down mo to, di ba? So, kung nahahabaan ka dyan, pwedeng, so y prime, derivative, apply power formula, lagay mo yung 5 sa unahan. So, 5, di ba? Then, kopyahin mo to, so 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. Then, what is 5 minus 1, di ba? 4. Times, derivative nitong nasa loob. Yun pa rin, di ba? So, ito na, tinuha natin, 6x minus 4. Then, same na lang, di ba? So, ito na rin yun, halos ito na siya, same, So, we can pull out 2. So, your y prime is 10 pa rin. So, yun pa rin nasagot, di ba? 4x plus 1 to the 4 times 3x minus 2. So, you get the same answer. So, parehas lang, di ba? Yung pa rin naman. So, depende sa inyo, guys, kung mas madali sa inyo to or ito. So, it's up to you, guys. Okay? So, yan, guys. That's our example involving chain rule. So, our next video, so we'll try to solve a special problem. So, involve yung tatlo. Actually, depende na yan. So, itong ituturo ko, ipapakita ko, you can use, in one problem, pwede mong isolve yan using product, pwedeng quotient, na may chain rule. Okay? So, pwede mag-exist yan, tatlo na yan. Okay? Or, mag-exist ang dalawa sa isa, sa tatlo. Okay, guys? So, yun lang. So, thank you guys for watching this video.